back to my channel. My name is Florence. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate you. And if you're new here, you are welcome. On this channel, I make videos on motherhood, love life, African food, faith, and all the good stuff. So in today's video, I want to continue with the courtship series that I've been on, and so far I've shared 5 tips with you. So today I'll be sharing the 6th tip with you, and that is, giving your partner some breathing space during courtship. So if, for example, if you have not watched my video before, probably this is your first time of seeing my face, I will leave the link of each of the 5 videos in the description box. Kindly go to the description box and click on the links. Thank you. So, like I said earlier, I'll be sharing with you the importance of giving breathing space to your partner while you are courting. Why it is very important. Why it is very necessary. When you are in courtship with somebody, of course you are in a relationship, you love each other, you like spending time together and all that. But I also want you to know that if there is a need for you to give the other person breathing space. Sometimes you just hang out with their friends, to do personal things, to do, things that they want to do all alone. Do you understand? That doesn't mean that there's something wrong with your relationship. In fact, it will even bring more health to your relationship. So it is very, very important for you to give space to your partner while you're courting. Don't choke them up with your presence. Don't give them calls every 5 minutes. You understand? Of course, I know that you love your partner and all that, but it is also very important that you don't choke them up. You don't suffocate your partner with your presence. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So, by the time you're courting and you're always spending time together with your partner, you're always around each other 24/7. Probably you are colleagues at work, or maybe you're students of the same university, or probably live in the same area or on the same street or something, and you're always fond of each other and all that. But I want to also let you know that sometimes your partner will want to be alone, to do things alone. Do you understand? Or probably they want to hang out with their friends, they want to go on vacation with their friends, things like that. Don't let that upset you, because you know what? If that upsets you, it will be sending a wrong signal, a negative signal to your partner, that maybe you are a clingy person, you're a needy person, somebody that is so clingy and that just wants to choke life out of them. Do you understand? So it is very, very important for you to understand that sometimes you need to give space to your partner. So allow your partner to miss you. Don't let them feel that they have lost their self or their person, or because they are in a relationship with you. Let your partner miss you sometimes. Do you understand? Give them space, and so that you'll be able to miss each other, and by the time you come back, it will be like as if your relationship is just starting, and the freshness of your love again and all that. So it is very, very important for you to give space to your partner. Sometimes there is more to your partner's life than your relationship. Their life does not revolve around your relationship alone. That is the relationship that exists between the two of you. There is more to their life. So allow your partner, to go out to do their hobby all alone, to hang out with their friends sometimes. Do you understand? And by that, you will bring so much health to your relationship. You know what? Let me tell you something. When some people feel choked up, they start snapping at others. They start getting angry unnecessarily. They just become so unfriendly and all that. So don't get your partner to this stage. Once you sense that your partner needs some breathing space, give it to them. Let me tell you one truth. It is even to the betterment of your relationship. It will make your relationship to be healthy. Do you understand? So this is very, very important. You know what? Nobody likes a clingy partner. Nobody likes people that always suffocate them with their presence. So allow for breathing space, as I've been saying. Allow for breathing space. That will bring more health to your relationship, to your courtship. If you are in a relationship currently with somebody that always gets upset whenever you need space, I think you need to watch out and be careful concerning that relationship. Probably you need to look into that relationship again, because if somebody is so clingy towards you while you're courting, by the time you get married, won't they suffocate you? Do you understand? So it's very, very important. Space is very, very important. Very, very important. You need it, your partner needs it. So don't go into marriage with somebody that is so clingy, that is so needy, that always wants to be with you. Probably they have issues with insecurity, or maybe emptiness inside them, or probably they usually feel lonely, and that needs to be addressed. They need to, work on themselves if that is the case, because marriage won't heal anyone of loneliness or of emptiness or of insecurity. So it's very important for the person to actually deal with it while you're courting. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Now, I want to share with you some benefits of giving your partner breathing space while you're courting. One of them is that it will give your partner the opportunity, to focus on their personal needs, to focus on their individuality, on things that they like to do all alone, as an individual. And that benefit is that, there's something about when people spend too much time together, they start taking each other for granted. The love starts fading away, the respect starts fading away, the love and all that. So, but by the time you give each other breathing space, sometimes, you start missing each other. And by the time you come back, even while you are away, trying to give each other that breathing space, you realize how important the other person is to you, how important the relationship is to you. So by the time you come back together, you respect each other more, you give regard to each other the more, because now you have also realized the importance of the other person's presence in your life. Then also, by the time you are back together, you will have some new things that you can discuss together, because while the two of you are away, the events and the activities that you got involved in, so there are some new things that you have to be able to discuss, share and all that. So by this, it will even encourage the two of you to talk more, to communicate, which is also very good, to strengthen your relationship, your friendship while you're courting. Then another benefit of giving your partner breathing space is that they'll be able to spend time with their friends and bond with their friends. The sincere truth is that you're in a relationship with somebody does not mean that you can be everything to them. They still need their friends for one thing or the other. So by the time you give your partner space, they have time to bond with their friends, with people that, they've been together all the while. Do you understand? And that will also even help your relationship, to help your marriage, because friends can also have positive impact on your relationship, on your marriage. Another thing is that when you give space to your partner during courtship, it shows that you respect them. It shows that you are interested in their general well-being. So by the time you give them space, they understand that you respect why they actually need that space. So it shows that you respect them, and they will also in turn respect you for that. So this is another good thing concerned about giving space to your partner while you're courting. Another benefit is that when you give breathing space to your partner, they won't have the fear of commitment. Let me tell you one thing. One of the reasons some men try to delay their wedding or to delay a proposal is that they see it as, they are about to commit themselves. They will get stuck with one person for life and all that. So probably that person will give them time to be able to hang out with their friends, to be able to do their personal things. By that they'll be marriage or courtship will deny them of their individuality and all that. So, but by the time, if you're always giving your partner space whenever they need it, they won't be afraid of commitment. The commitment that marriage calls for, because they know that whenever they need that space, you always give it to them. So if you look at all the benefits that I've highlighted for you, you will see that it's very important and it's very beneficial for you to give breathing space to your partner while you're courting. But if you do this, you'll be surprised at how healthy your relationship will be, how happy the other person will be. You understand? And then it will even strengthen your relationship the more as well. And that is what we are working towards, right? Building friendship during courtship. So this is very, very important. Now I'll be stopping here as far as this tip is concerned, and I will continue with another tip in another video. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I post a new video, you can be notified immediately. I post new videos every week. Also, if this video has been helpful, If you have learned one or two things in it, kindly like and share it with your friends that you know will find it helpful. Till I see you again in my next video. Bye.